Chapter 1 Know Your Computer. Chapter 7 Hardware, Software. Computer system is mainly a combination of two components. These are hardware and software. Both complement each other to solve users' problem. We will discuss these two components to understand their importance and cover the uses of some essential hardware, software required for the working of computer system. Let us learn about them. Computer system, hardware, input devices, output devices, processing device, storage devices, software, application software, system software. Hardware, all the physical parts of a computer which can be seen or touched are called hardware. The hardware parts are further classified into input devices, processing device, output devices, and storage devices. Input devices, the parts of computer we use to feed data and instructions to it, are called input devices. Some of the input devices are keyboard. A keyboard is used to feed data and instructions by pressing its keys. It has many types of keys, each having a different role. Mouse. A mouse is used to point, select, and move items on the screen. Nowadays, optical and laser mouse are the most popular. A mouse may be fixed to the CPU box or may be wireless. Light pen. A light pen looks like a real pen. It is used to input by selecting objects and drawing directly on the screen, just as we draw a picture with a normal pen on paper. Joystick. A joystick has a lever that moves in all directions and controls the movement of the pointer on the screen. It has buttons called triggers that are used to click and double-click. It is mostly used while playing games. Gamepad. A gamepad is used while playing games. It is held in two hands and thumbs are used to provide input. Touchscreen. A touchscreen is a touch-sensitive screen which gives input to a computer by touching it. We use our fingertips to point directly to objects on the screen and give our instructions. Touchscreens are not only in the computer monitors, but nowadays most of the mobile phones and ATMs have touchscreen. Touchpad. This has a special surface which can sense the movement of finger. It is used to move the pointer by moving the fingers on the pad. This is mainly found in laptop computers. Scanner. A scanner is used to input directly from a page. It reads text or pictures from the page and displays them on the monitor. There are many types of scanners. The most commonly used scanners are flatbed and handheld scanners. Microphone. A microphone is used to record voice or sound into a computer. Digital camera. A digital camera stores captured photos in a removable memory card, which is placed inside the camera. The images in the card can be transferred as input to the computer. Webcam. A webcam captures photos and stores them directly on the computer. It is connected to a computer, so there is no memory card required. Some laptops have a webcam fixed inside them. Processing device. The CPU, Central Processing Unit, is the processing device. It is fixed inside the CPU box. It processes and stores the data and instructions given by us. It controls all input devices and output devices. Output devices, the parts of a computer that show or display the information, result after processing, are called output devices. Some of the output devices are monitor. A monitor displays the output, text, pictures or videos on it. The output we get on the monitor is also called soft copy. It is the most common output device. It is also known as VDU, Visual Display Unit. There are three types of monitors: CRT, cathode ray tube, LCD, liquid crystal display, and LED, light emitting diode. Monitor. CRT monitors are bigger in size, whereas LCD monitors are flat and thus take less space. An LED monitor is a flat screen, flat panel computer monitor. It has a very short depth and is light in weight. Printer. A printer gives the output, text and pictures on a paper. The printed copy is called hard copy. The three main types of printer are dot matrix printers, print only in black, make a lot of noise while printing, can print only a few pages in a minute. Inkjet printers, print in color also, make very less noise while printing, can print many pages in a minute. Laser printers, print in color also, make very less noise while printing, can print up to 100 pages in a minute, best in quality. Speakers and headphones. Speakers and headphones are used to listen to music and songs as output from the computer. Speakers give out loud sound, while headphones are used by an individual without letting others get disturbed with the sound. Plotter. A plotter also gives the output on a paper. These are generally used to generate high-quality large printouts of construction maps, engineering drawings, and big posters. Storage devices. The parts of computer we use to store work are called storage devices. Hard disk, CD, compact disc, DVD, card, Blu-ray disc are some examples of storage devices. Software. While drawing pictures in Paint program, we use a computer mouse to draw and see our picture on the monitor. The mouse and monitor are hardware parts, while the Paint program is a software. A computer is made up of many hardware parts. These hardware need instructions to work. A set of instructions given to a computer to make it work is called software. Why is software needed? Without software, a computer cannot work. Software enables the user to interact with the computer, its hardware, and perform specific tasks. Any software can be used only when it is stored inside a storage device, that is, a hardware. Hence, it is required for the proper working hardware attached to computer. We install and store many software inside our computer so that we can use them anytime. Types of software. There are two types of software. Application software. This software does a specific type of work. For example, Paint program for drawing, calculator program for doing sums, Word program for typing, etc. We can install a program on our computer according to our requirement. System software. This software controls the overall working of a computer. Operating system is an example of system software. Without an operating system, we cannot even start the computer. When we purchase our computer, the operating system software is already installed on it. Windows is the most popular operating